Ever wondered what's the difference between training, coaching, and facilitation? These three words are interchangeably used, and most of the people, even the trainers and coaches and facilitators, don't know what is the difference between these three words. So today I thought, because I'm learning the difference between the three, I'm learning the art of facilitation, coaching, training from one of the top-notch coaches in the country. His name is Teja Gudluru, and we had an in-depth session on the differences between the three and a lot more. So today I'm going to share the differences between the three. So let's start with training. So what is training? Training is basically where you as a trainer is a subject matter expert. You have an expertise on a certain subject and you are training people mostly in a one-to-many environment. For example, you're training a startup, a company, a group of people, students. That is training. You are a subject matter expert, maybe you are a Java expert, you are an English expert, English language expert, maybe you're a nutrition expert. I don't know what your expertise is. Whatever your expertise is, you are training people. It is mostly one way. You are giving information, lot of information in training. The second word is coaching. Now, when it comes to coaching, you don't need to be subject matter expert, and it looks a little oxymoronic. How can you not be a subject matter expert if you are a coach? But that's the reality. You don't have to be a subject matter expert, because as a coach you have two very, very important roles. And what are those two very important roles? Number one is listening, and number two is asking great questions. So you as a coach need to be that beacon of light who helps the other person discover his own path. You don't need to tell, okay, go take this way, take this right, take this. No, that's not the work of a coach. The work of a coach is listen, understand, and then help you reach a conclusion or a solution on your own by asking the right questions. For example, somebody is not able to lose weight. The work of a coach is to understand what's missing in their lifestyle, which is causing a hindrance to get up early and go to the gym. Maybe they watch a lot of television before going to bed at night, and because of that, every single day the routine is the same. So you need to give them those reflections through the power of asking great questions. So that is coaching. You are asking great questions and you are listening, right? The third is facilitation. It is more of, high level coaching, wherein it is a two-way interaction. It is mostly group, and you are, it might be a leadership facilitation. So for example, if you are coaching a group of CEOs or facilitating a group of CEOs, mostly in corporates, you are not going to tell them or train them, because your years of experience will surpass the kind of experience they all have as a collective group, right? So what you really need to do is drive a discussion which is a two-way discussion, understand their point of view, bring along different angles of the discussion, drive it in a meaningful, neutral way, which helps them learn from each other. And then you, as the ringmaster of that entire, forum or discussion, you need to bring it to a conclusion where you are kind of summarizing the entire discussion. Here, you are not really training. You are not the God's gift to mankind as in training. You are more of a facilitator. You are helping them discover their aha moments by asking again questions, by instigating, by questioning, by being the ringmaster, and by bringing out the best discussions among themselves. And it's mostly a two-way communication. It's more of an interaction. It's mostly in small groups, not in very large groups, right? So that's the idea of facilitation. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please share it with someone who want to learn this and follow along.